Where are you going? Oh, la la la. Come in. Come up here. Come up here. Tignan nyo yan. Tignan mo yung snow dito, guys. Sobrang kapal. Look. Ito yung ano namin. Sobrang kapal, ah. Dami, ah. Hindi na makaano sila, Roxy. Hi, Rox. Nilinis ko lang siya dito kasi para yung aso ba. Yan. Lubog na lubog si Roxy sa snow, guys. Good morning sa inyo. Linis-linis mo dahil tignan niyo si Roxy. What is she, baby? Look, you have a lot of icicles already. Icicles? Huh? Huh? Hindi si Misty makaano eh. Kasi sobrang kapal kasi, guys. Tignan mo. Yung daanan ni Roxy, oh. Dinaanan ni Roxy. Tignan niyo. Kaloka talaga itong snow. Sobrang kapal. Rinig niyo yung mga langgam. You like it, Rox? Do you like the snow? You like the snow? You do? You like the snow, baby? Is Roxy girl like the snow, girl? It's a Roxy girl like the snow. Ang kapal ng snow, guys. Sobrang ganda sa paligid. Tignan niya. Yung paligid doon, sobrang ganda. Pakinggan ninyo yung paligid. Sobrang daming langgam. Langgam, that means ibon. Okay guys, maghanap tayo ng mga can't get over this, guys. Sobrang ganda. Can't get over it. May nagpa-plow na doon. Linis ng mga bakuran. Na driveway pala. Na andito ako sa Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. No? Grabe. Sa Pilipinas, ang init-init. Dito ang ginaw-ginaw at sa kadaming snow. Hi guys! Hello guys! Good morning! Galing ako sa taas. Nagkilamos lang ako guys. Brush my teeth. And so yun, galing ako sa taas. And then, galing din ako sa labas. You seen that before, right? You seen it already, right? And, 10 o'clock, magluluto ako ng rice later. Kasi may, di ba, nagluluto ako kagabi ng the tinola. No, hindi tinola. Lauoy, yung Bisaya version, Mindanao version, yung mga simple-simple lang, tinol, lauoy. At saka magpiprito din ako na, nakalimutan ko siyang ipirito kalagabi, oy. Ay, yung lumpia ko na ginawa kahapon. So, ipirito ko yan later. Plus, meron chicken. So, I'm good. And, Tammy told me, guys, it's sunny in where they are. So, sabi pa niya, sunny daw doon, dito. May pagka-sunny naman, okay na. Kanina, siya, gloomy. Ngayon, sunny na siya. Dinner, eat your breakfast. She doesn't eat the breakfast. Go eat your breakfast. Roxy did eat already. No. That's all. I'm not giving you nothing because you guys need to eat your real food. Okay? You guys need to eat your real food. Go eat it. Go. Don't swallow your saliva, Rox, like you want to eat some more. You eat yours already. Misty doesn't. Misty? Misty, look at Mama. Good girl. Did you eat your breakfast? You eat your breakfast? Anyway, guys, I'm going to, sit down. And also, guys, after cleaning outside, I did edit 2 videos already, which is really good. I just want to have video ready for tomorrow, for the next day, like that. So yun, and then right now, so ang gagawin ko is I'm going to sit down because I haven't sit down since I got up. So what I did this morning when I got up, I let the dog out. And then when the dog came in, of course, Roxy have a lot of eyes on her leg. So what I did, I blow dry it over there sa doon sa laundry area. So doon, guys, and then, oh my god, guys, binablow dry ko yung niya. Dahil icicles na, guys, pinaano naman niya, guys. She just let me. So what I did is just do that and then wipe them and wipe the floor. And after that, I feed them. I feed myself. Pagkatapos done, I went outside to clear up and then I blow dry their legs again. So yan. So yan, si Roxy enjoyed the snow outside. I really want to go outside to play with her later on because I'm not sure. Because the snow is really good. You really can make a snowman because it's powder. It's not powdery. It's kind of thick. It's like a big flake. You can really make a snowman. Snowman. Guys, oras guys, 11:30 na. Alam niyo ba kung anong gagawin ko, guys? Luto tayo ng rice, guys. Nagutom na ako, guys. Nag-start na yung tiyan ko. Kumulong-kulong, kulo na. Meron namang Spanish rice yung yung asawa ko, nagluluto siya ng Spanish rice, diba? Diba maganda yung white rice kapag ang kasabay is yung mga Filipino food. Kapag yung rice may lasa, mawawala yung kinakain mo, like adobo or tinola or something like that. Mawawala yung lasa ng mga niluluto mo. So, yun. So, anuhin ko lang ito, guys. Tignan niyo yung mga mata nila. Tulog yan yung brown na dog na tulog. Tignan niyo. Bubuka ang bulaklak ko, yung mata mo, bubuka, matulog yan yan, matutulog yan siya, pagkatapos kakanta ako, bubuka yan. Bah! Come in, Rox. Come in. Tingnan niyo, daming isno sa baby ni mama, oh. Ang daming isno sa baby. Anyway, iniinit ko. So, niluluto ko siya. Alam niyo kung ano nilagay ko? Chicken, guys. Yung chicken na from Walmart na sobrang sarap. Kasi wala akong chicken na gusto ko ito, guys. So, nilagyan ko siya ng chicken, para na siyang tinulang manok na siya. Tinulang manok with okra, ang talong, at saka malunggay. Kahit wala siyang chicken, guys, itong niluluto ko, sobrang sarap. As in, sobrang amoy na amoy ko yung niya, amoy ng ginger at saka yung mga gulay. Hello! Kakain na naman tayo nito. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys. Ano ito, guys? Di ba yung minukbang ko? Ay, nako, ito yon. Ang nilagay ko sa kanya is yung chicken. Naging chicken tinola ito, guys. Chicken tinola. Yung lauoy naging chicken tinola. Ang tarap! Ang tarap-tarap! Kain tayo, guys. Naging chicken tinola talaga siya, guys. As in. Ano na lang ito. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko kasi sobrang laki naman. Yan, itong maliit na natin gamitin. Yung okra maging sobrang sarap dahil lutong-luto talaga siya. Sarap. Yung chicken tinola, sarap. Ito yung pinaka-Pinoy na Pinoy talaga na gustong-gusto ko talaga. Ay, nako. As in, gulay. Sus, Ginoo kapag kalami. At saka yung sausawan ko, sukang pinakurat with a little bit of toyo. Kahit anong gulay pala, kahit anong gulay maluluto mo with manok tinola. Kahit basta malagay mo lahat. Sarap. Sana may kinakain din kayo, ha. Kasi, nako. Lalaway kayo. That's it. Done. Bye. Yan si Misty, guys. Tignan nyo yan. Ay, naku, kawawa talaga. Doon sila, matutulog na din ako, guys. I'm going to end this video very soon. Yan si Misty ay palaging na sa kawawa naman ito si Misty. Ay, maliit kasi. Don't know. Struggle is real. Ay, kawawa Misty. Ay. Malulubog talaga siya. Nandun sila dalawa ay. Malulubog yung dalawa. Tingnan niyo si Roxy. Okay, come in. Come in. Come in, let's go get some bunsi. Come in. Do you want some bunsi? Come in. Roxy Misty, guys. Tingnan niyo yan. Kawawa eh. Come here, let's go get some bunsi. Come in. Tingnan niyo yan. Come in. Bunsi. Hello. Tingnan nyo yun, guys. Dun si Roxy, guys. Dun. Come in, Bunsi. Come in. Oh, tingnan nyo si Misty. Come in. Do you want some Bunsi? Come in. Let's go inside. Oh. Come in. Tingnan niyo si Misty. Kawawa talaga itong maliit na aso ko. Look, she's walking very slow. She's walking very slow, guys. Come in. We go out this way. Look. Kawawa. And then may pathway na doon. Ano nila? Come in. What a good girl. What a good girl, baby. Yes, I'll give you some pussy. Where's Roxy? Roxy, let's go. Come in. Let's go. Do you want some bonsai? Go out this way. Come in. Let's go out this way. Come in. Come in. Let's go out this way. Come in. Hindi siya takbo. Come in. Let's go, Misty. Come in, guys, this way. Roxy, come in. Roxy. Come in, Bunty. Do you want some bones? Kawawa. Come in. Hindi makapagtakbo. Come in. Lagtik na, no. Come in. Nagwiwi pa. Come in. Come in. Let's go. Come in. 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 Oh, look. Look, come in. Hala. Come in. Go out the other way, the other side. Kawawa. Andun siya. Come in. Come in dun. Hala, kawawa naman itong mga baby ko. Siyempre, guys. Come in. I'll give you some bunch. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yes, come in. Let's make them happy. Make them happy to have some bouncy struggle in the snow, ha? Mag-i-in ko ng vlog tonight. Kasi, ano ng oras? 9 o'clock na, guys. Alam nyo, nang dahil sa laro-laro, wala ako masyadong nagawa. So, kailangan ko na talagang mag-slow down sa laro kasi, doon na lang ako nag-focus. So, anyway, thank you guys so much, guys. And, just like what I said, salamat again sa inyo sa panonood ng video ko. And, matutulog na ako kasi masakit yung mata ko sa kakalaro. Saka dito, saka yung arm ko. So, masakit dahil sa yung ganyan-ganyan sa ano. So, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye.